This is the medicine that your grandma was trying to give you when you were young.
ரோஜா கடலே என் ராஜா மகளே என்ன கனியே வா தனியே